बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक है गिफ्ट और हिबा। गिफ्ट और हिबा के कंसेप्ट को आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे, और अंडर इस्लामिक लॉ भी और अंडर जो मॉडर्न लॉ है उसके अकॉर्डिंग भी गिफ्ट और हिबा का क्या रिलेशन है। गिफ्ट और हिबा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डेफिनेशन देख लेते हैं, देन इसेंशियल एंड देन काइंड्स। डेफिनेशन है, इट इज़ अ ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी मेड immediately and without any exchange by one person to another and accepted by or on behalf of the latter. Essential elements of the gift. The essential elements of the gifts are, the number one is donor, number two is the donee, number three is the absence of consideration, number fourth is the subject matter, number fifth is declaration of gift by the donor, number sixth is an acceptance of the gift expressed or implied by or on behalf of the donee, and number seven is delivery of possession of the subject of the gift. So these are the essentials, and then we will study the kinds and types of hiba or gift. It has its four kinds, that is, the number one is arid, the number two is sadqa, the number third is hiba bil iwaz, and number fourth is hiba bil sharatul iwaz. There are defined as follows. अब इनको हम काइंड्स को डिफाइन कर लेते हैं. अरीत, अरीत क्या है? द ग्रांट ऑफ लाइसेंस और गिविंग ऑफ द यूज ऑफ इंजॉयमेंट और यूज फ्रक्चर ऑफ अ थिंग, यूज ऑफ समथिंग विदाउट कंसिडरेशन is called arid. The four essentials of an arid are that can be revoked, it must be transferred of ownership in the property, it must be for defined period, and it does not devolve upon the heirs of the donee on his health. Sadqa, it is the gift made with the object of acquiring religious merits or spiritual benefits. It is made on permanent and non-returnable basis. The number third is hiba bil iwaz. It is the gift for consideration and looks like a scale and has all incidents of a contract of sale. It resembles a sale in that a transfer of title is complete without delivery of possession, and all the incidents of sale attached to it, including the liability of being preempted, where the law of preemption is in force, and the right to return a thing for a defect. To constitute a valid hiba bil iwaz, the following two conditions must be present: actual payment of consideration iwaz on the part of the donee, and an intention on the part of the donor to divest himself in pristine of the property and to confer it upon the donee. Inadequacy of its consideration absolutely immaterial. Whatever its consideration, it must be actual and intention. And hiba bil shartul awaz, the last and final type. So these are the essentials of valid gift. Essential कौन से हैं? Gift is not valid until certain conditions are fulfilled, such as, वो condition कौन सी हैं? These are 9. 1. Offer, the donor makes it. Acceptance, to whom offer is made, the donee accepts it. Number third is delivery of possession, it constitutes and completes gifts. Number 4. Subject matter, it must be transferable and must be transferred actually. The number 5th is sound mind, person of sound and sound mind is not capable of making gift. 6th is mature, donor must attain age of maturity before he makes gift. Free consents, consents of donor and donee must be free. Caution invalidates gift. Muslim transfer of property in term of gift is subject to Islam. Non-Muslims are excluded from the transactions. And the last one is solvency. Insolvency makes person unable to make gift. So this is the concept of gift or hiba under Islamic law. Thank you so much.